Modern military technologies are no longer just tanks and airplanes, but an entire world of advanced developments. Today, armies use reconnaissance drones, exoskeletons for soldiers, ultra-precise weapons, and systems controlled by artificial intelligence. Armored vehicles are becoming faster and smarter, while aircraft are becoming stealthier and more maneuverable. Even an ordinary helmet or bulletproof vest today is a complex engineering solution. These technologies are changing not only warfare, but also how we perceive the potential of technology. Let's take a look at which modern military developments are already impressive in their capabilities today. Viper 300, weighing only 2.8 kgs, is capable of striking targets at distances of up to 5 kilometers, using artificial intelligence to choose the ideal attack. It accelerates to 27 mph and operates not only individually, but also as part of a swarm launched from armored vehicles. The creators have developed special modules with capsules that allow drones to be released either one at a time or in bulk. Thanks to its algorithms, the Viper 300 analyzes the situation in real time and selects the best scenario for the strike. The Rheinmetall MWS-120 is a hand-loaded mortar that impresses not only with its power, but also with its user-friendly interface, similar to a video game, where one button is enough for targeting and another for automatic correction. Its dual recoil damping system and compensation for platform pitch and roll make firing accurate even in difficult conditions. The mortar can deliver up to 20 rounds per minute, which is impressive for its class. The barrel can be disassembled in just 60 seconds, allowing quick switching between smoothbore and rifled configurations. The Bell Autonomous Pod Transport impresses with its combination of vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, along with the range and speed of an airplane. This autonomous vehicle can deliver up to 136 kilograms of cargo over a distance of up to 480 kilometers, operating in conditions where regular devices simply cannot cope. Its design is built for harsh environments and confined spaces, making it indispensable in logistics and military support. Autonomy simplifies control, reducing risks and increasing mission efficiency. Exoskeleton suits turn soldiers into true heavyweights, enhancing their strength, endurance, and mobility. These high-tech systems help troops carry more gear while reducing fatigue and strain. A soldier in an exoskeleton can not only carry heavy loads, but also maintain focus and readiness to complete missions. The suit functions as robotic support that moves in sync with the body. Some models allow for the use of heavier weapons and protect joints from wear and tear. The MAVRX is a new multifunctional armored vehicle from the French company Aris. Presented at Eurosatory 2024, it is equipped with a 400 horsepower engine and a 7-speed automatic transmission, providing excellent off-road performance. The vehicle is designed to transport 10 people with full gear, including the option to install a 25mm turret and the Ares BattleNet C4 system for tactical control. The interior is designed for crew comfort, including thermal protection and convenient communication even in extreme conditions. The MAVRX is suitable for both medical evacuation and fire support, offering high protection against various threats. The vehicle is intended for export markets in the Middle East and Europe, with mass production expected to begin soon. The Chengdu J-20, known as the Mighty Dragon, is a single-seat, twin-engine, 5th-generation stealth fighter jet. It is designed to carry out combat missions even in the most challenging conditions. The aircraft is equipped with delta wings, a stealthy fuselage, and a V-shaped tail. The flight control system operates in conjunction with the guidance system and engine control. A modern AESA radar scans the space and transmits data to the onboard systems. The J-20 is intended not only for China's internal needs, but also for export to Pakistan, Middle Eastern countries, and Africa. The NIMR Augmented LRSOV is a modern multifunctional patrol vehicle with a range of up to 700 kilometers. It is equipped with a spacious rear compartment for ammunition and equipment. Armament options include a 30mm automatic grenade launcher and machine guns of 12.7mm and 7.62mm calibers. This vehicle is already in use for territory security and patrol missions. Interestingly, the possibility of equipping the vehicle with airless tires is being considered to improve off-road capability and reliability. This step would enhance operational performance in difficult conditions. The JFD Torpedo Seal is a unique underwater transport vehicle specifically designed for military divers. It resembles a torpedo and runs on electricity, enabling quiet and efficient movement underwater. This device can carry 2 divers over a distance of up to 18.5 kilometers and store necessary equipment in its body. The maximum diving depth reaches 24 meters, and the underwater speed is 5.5 kilometers per hour. Above water, the speed increases to 7.4 kilometers per hour thanks to a special navigation system. These features make the JFD Torpedo Seal ideal for reconnaissance and coastal patrol missions in demanding military conditions. The Castinger brass catcher turns the HK-416 into a more user-friendly weapon by collecting spent casings directly into a special bag. It holds up to 30 casings and is equipped with a zipper for quick emptying, sparing the shooter from tedious cleanup. Interestingly, the top part of the device redirects some of the gases, improving rifle performance. The manufacturer emphasizes that the Castinger is excellent for left-handed users and does not affect shooting accuracy. It mounts directly onto a Picatinny rail, making installation quick and easy. This gadget is useful for both hunters and professional shooters, simplifying firearm handling. No, it's not a living creature, but a 4-legged robot designed for complex military operations. The Therminator, equipped with a built-in flamethrower, can accurately suppress threats and destroy obstacles. It can be operated remotely or autonomously, ensuring safety in hazardous zones. Its high mobility allows the robot to easily move over rough terrain and in urban environments. High-resolution cameras and thermal sensors enable real-time surveillance and reconnaissance. This robot is well-suited for both combat and intelligence missions. Imagine this. It's not science fiction, but real weaponry. Militaries are already using lasers in combat. These systems are called directed energy weapons and are capable of destroying drones, missiles, and electronics in a fraction of a second. Instead of explosions and debris, just a flash of energy that surgically disables the target. The US military has already mounted such laser weapons on ships, trucks, and stationary platforms, and real footage shows lasers frying drones as if on a training range. The key feature, no ammunition or reloading, just keep the generator running. Especially impressive are US Navy ships with laser cannons that can precisely shoot down missiles and entire swarms of attacking drones. The Armadillo CV90 immediately stands out because it's not just an armored vehicle, but a real construction set for military operations. Developed by BAE Systems, it can be quickly reconfigured for various combat missions thanks to its modular design. High mobility is combined with powerful weaponry and protection to keep the crew safe inside. One of its main advantages is advanced armor systems, which provide an edge on the battlefield. The vehicle easily adapts for reconnaissance, fire support, or transport. As a result, the Armadillo CV90 becomes a universal tool for modern armies. The Dongfeng 17 is not just a ballistic missile, but a platform for hypersonic glide vehicles. This combination makes it virtually invulnerable to existing missile defense systems as it maneuvers at extremely high speeds. The DF-17 can carry both conventional and nuclear warheads, significantly increasing the threat level. U.S. military and intelligence officials are seriously concerned, as General John Hyten admitted that the U.S. currently has no defense against such weapons. The DF-17 is already being called one of the main reasons behind a new arms race. This system marks the beginning of a new era of strategic deterrence. The Muari aircraft is impressive for its affordability. Its flight hour costs only around $1,000 compared to about $42,000 for an F-35. At the same time, it remains multifunctional, capable of reconnaissance, surveillance, and even delivering strikes. Its range reaches 2,130 kilometers, and it can carry up to 800 kilograms of combat payload. However, its ceiling is limited to about 6 kilometers, which raises questions about its protection from man-portable air defense systems. Despite this, the Muari remains an interesting option for countries with limited budgets. It shows that versatility and efficiency don't have to be expensive. One of the craziest updates in the military field is right on soldiers' heads: smart combat helmets that turn into real command centers. They not only provide protection but also display maps, targets, and mission updates right before the eyes through built-in augmented reality displays. No need to look down at tablets or screens. All information appears exactly where it's needed. These helmets are equipped with communication systems that enable clear conversations, video transmission, and drone connectivity. The U.S. Army has already begun implementing such helmets, betting on mobility and full situational awareness. It's interesting to consider how long it will take before such technologies appear among rescuers, firefighters, or even in civilian professions. The DF-21D is not just a ballistic missile, but a true carrier killer, developed by China specifically to strike naval targets. Its mission is to destroy American supercarriers, which are considered key elements of U.S. naval power. This missile can be launched over long distances and is even claimed to be capable of striking satellites in orbit. However, it has one weakness. DF-21D launchers are bulky and poorly maneuverable, making them vulnerable to preemptive strikes. The U.S. is counting on either destroying the launchers before launch or intercepting the missiles in flight using modern technologies. All of this, of course, remains hypothetical for now, and hopefully, it will never be tested in practice. The Hongdu GJ-1, also known as the Sharp Sword, is a Chinese combat drone capable of conducting reconnaissance and striking enemy targets without a pilot. It can penetrate enemy territory and stealthily transmit data or deploy payloads, acting faster than the enemy can react. One of its main advantages is the use of stealth technology, which makes it difficult to detect by radar. Moreover, the GJ-11 is versatile. It can be launched from both land and ships, expanding its range of missions. Despite its high cost, the mass deployment of drones allows the creation of entire swarms that can threaten whole armies without risking personnel. The WZ-10 is a Chinese attack helicopter specifically designed for combating tanks and armored vehicles at close range. Although it was initially developed with Russian engineers, the Chinese later reworked the model, making it lighter and faster. Despite having lighter armor, the WZ-10 performs well in rapid attack and retreat missions, avoiding enemy hits. It is armed not only for ground combat, but can also engage other helicopters. The aircraft remains a key asset in China's arsenal, especially for battlefield support missions. Shield AI has developed the VBAT, an unmanned aerial vehicle with the unique ability to operate in a team autonomously. The company recently conducted a successful demonstration where 3 such drones simultaneously performed surveillance and monitoring tasks, simulating wildfire control operations. The VBAT is equipped with the hive mind artificial intelligence, which coordinates the actions of the entire group without operator input. This technology enables missions even in environments where GPS and communication are unavailable. The project is being developed in collaboration with U.S. military research units. In 2024, deployment of such systems in real operations is scheduled to begin. The HQ-17AE is not just a missile, but a complete air defense missile system, representing one of China's best developments in this area. It is mounted on a wheeled chassis, allowing it to be quickly moved across the battlefield with the troops. The system uses an active phased array radar, enabling it to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, even under heavy electronic interference. Enhanced mobility and rapid deployment make the HQ-17AE a highly effective means of protection against aerial threats. The system integrates easily with other air defense assets, creating a layered defense. This approach allows the system to be quickly repositioned, keeping it safe and increasing its combat effectiveness. Rogue One. Lethal is an unmanned ground device designed for serious tactical missions. It combines advanced technologies with powerful weaponry, including firearms and combat tools. This robot can independently engage enemy targets or operate under remote control, reducing risks to personnel. Thanks to its all-terrain mobility, the Rogue One Lethal easily moves across difficult terrain, whether in urban combat zones or rugged natural environments. Built-in high-precision cameras and thermal imagers provide continuous real-time reconnaissance and enhance situational awareness. The Dongfeng 41 is a mobile intercontinental ballistic missile capable of traveling on roads and railways. Its range is estimated between 12,000 and 15,000 kilometers, making it the longest-range missile in service. Its top speed reaches approximately 30,625 kilometers per hour, around Mach 25. The missile can carry up to 10 multiple independently targetable re-entry vehicles, MIRVs. According to forecasts, the Dongfeng 41 could strike the continental United States in less than 30 minutes after launch. Guidance is carried out via an inertial system with GPS, providing accuracy within 100 to 500 meters. The M3 Amphibious rig is a powerful and versatile means for transporting heavy military equipment across water obstacles. This platform is capable of carrying up to 60 tons, including Leopard 2 tanks and other heavy equipment. Its aluminum pontoons provide buoyancy and stability, transforming the machine into a reliable ferry. The crossing process is controlled from the upper deck, allowing for quick and efficient transport of equipment. Thanks to its rapid transformation into a floating bridge, the M3 helps overcome rivers and other water barriers without delays. Did you know that modern tanks can fire with incredible accuracy even while on the move? Here you see the moment when this armored giant fires a shell with immense recoil and thunderous sound. The drone RF Hunter uses advanced sensors and algorithms to detect and neutralize enemy drones with high precision. It operates by tracking the radio signals emitted in real time by drones and their operators, allowing for accurate location identification. This system actively jams the communications and navigation of hostile UAVs, rendering them useless. The RF Hunter doesn't just monitor threats, it engages them, effectively destroying enemy drones. This approach gives the military a significant advantage in countering the ever-growing threat of unmanned systems. ELPS is a precision munition system that significantly changes the approach to targeting high-value objectives in complex combat conditions. This system constantly adjusts its trajectory based on factors such as wind, temperature, and target speed, ensuring accurate and effective strikes even on moving targets. ELPS is designed with an emphasis on minimizing harm to civilian populations, allowing for localized strikes even in densely populated areas or near friendly forces. Its lightweight and modular design enables integration on various aerial platforms, from drones to attack helicopters.